Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to be taking a look at a GMC Yukon Denali. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. Front parking sensors are going to keep you very safe. I'll look down the passenger side. You have 22-inch chrome wheels. Those are wrapped with Bridgestone dueler tires. Running boards on the side. Inside, leather interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. Second row bucket and third row bench seating, and your second row seats are heated seats. You do have a rear-facing entertainment center, and you have a sunroof up top. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. On the back, you have rear backup sensors and a camera. Taking a look in the hatch now. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Power assist lift gates, so simply the press of that button, hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, four-wheel drive controls. Cruise, audio, and Bluetooth controls are all mounted here to your heated steering wheel. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo and navigation. Dual climate control as well as dual heated and cooled seats. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Denali on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.